What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel again. So today I'm working with my friend Golf GTI. So we're gonna be restoring the headlights. You can see how their headlights there are. We're gonna use these ones up before, and for today I'm gonna be using the Rain X Headlight Restoration Kit. I used this one before with all the car I have before. It's worked pretty good. This is a good thing you can use for temporary. I think I say temporary because I use it twice with my old car. So this one, what it brought is the headlight restore. They have a lubricant. This lubricant you're supposed to use it at the same time. Sealant, I don't use the this one because what I use is soapy water. I prefer that. I use that bucket full of water, so I go. And they have 3 sand. I like this like sandpaper or like sandpaper pads. So they come in 1, 2, and 3. They have the numbers already there. This is pretty easy to use. They have the instruction on how to use it. So we're gonna go around with the step. This is not very expensive, so it's pretty good. There's other one that you can spray paint after. This one you don't use it. So this one the instructions you have there, this one is gonna be after you finish. But we're gonna go with that on the steps, okay? Okay, so for the first thing I did, I removed their screw here. So you don't need to do it, you can tape it. But what I did for making more easily in this corner, I'm trying to remove the headlight, but I need to remove the bumper and the whole thing. So I'm gonna go do this step before right now. So I'm gonna remove this one. I already unscrew this one. Like I said before, so you're supposed to use the pad with the lubricant. I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna go with soap and water, but you can use this one if you don't have soap and water. So I got soap and water here, and then what I'm gonna do is gonna spray the whole headlight. And for number 1, you're gonna start in this direction. You need to be careful with the paint. Okay, you can tape it. I don't need to tape it. I did it before, so I know. So I have a bucket of water, clean water, to clean the pad. So this is the motion you're gonna be doing. Okay, you don't do it circular motion. No, the same instruction should tell you what way to do. So I'm gonna clean it. And when you do it, you're gonna see like a yellow water coming out from the headlight. It's gonna be like dirty, and that's normal because you cleaning the outside. Often you can get a towel or cloth and clean it so you can see what you was doing. I'm gonna do some more. I see some stuff. We can keep going. So you just keep doing it until you see like everything is uniform. It's the same. Like it's gonna be like fog. It makes sense because you sanded it, but they have a buffing compound, the restore. You can use that. It's gonna get at the end. Again, you get a towel or cloth and clean it to see if it's uniform. So now we're gonna do with number 2, same process. On this time, it's gonna be side to side, up and down. This is number 2, so we're gonna do side to side, up and down. So I finished with number 2 and clean it. See, again, you don't still see the results until you finish. Okay, we're gonna go with number 3. That's more smoother. So deep in water, soap and water. This one is gonna be again diagonals. It's gonna be also up and down. It's gonna be diagonal. The instruction you're gonna see anyway. The instruction you're gonna see on the box. They're pretty simple. It's pretty easy. It's dummy proof. Really, really, it's dummy proof. There's no way to mess it up. You can do it one hand with your kids. Even your grandma can do it. It's not a big deal. This is my 3rd time I use it. I'm pretty good. It's pretty good. Again, this is a temporary solution, and I know it's temporary solution because I did it with my old car and I ended up do it twice. It lasts like a year. If you want to do it longer, there are people who paint it after, but you can have any wax or nothing. This product have like a finished wax and buffing stuff, so you don't want to use that and then paint it. So you want to be wax and greens clean, but you can use it after everything. You can use alcohol, wipe it out. So I finished with the 2, so I put the 3 and then I clean it. You're gonna do it with 3. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna try to clean everything. Also, then we go to the buffing one. So after done with the step 3, the one you're gonna do the headlight restore. So you get the cloth, apply a little bit, and then what you're gonna do this one, when you want to buff it, you want to buff it on a circular motion. Okay. So after you finish with this one, we're gonna use the sealant. And then with the sealant, what we're gonna do, we're gonna apply it on a towel. You can use a microfabric, any clean cloth or paper towel, okay? And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna apply it around. What I do normally, after I finish with that, what I do is I wax it, like normally wax the car. You apply it, don't apply it on the headlight, you're gonna apply it on the cloth. Okay? And you can see right after how it look like. You don't want to apply this one on the paint. Okay? We want to work only on the headlight, okay? So right there you can see so here's the finished product. Okay, So this is gonna be the before and after. So before, we have the headlight. You can see how it look like. And the after. So there you go, guys. That's like how you can use the X Headlight Restoration Kit. I'm gonna be putting the link of the product on the description below. If you like the video, put a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on the Instagram. So I normally post picture and what I'm doing next. So I hope you like it. And again, this is like temporary solution, but you can see the product, like it's pretty good, it's pretty decent, it's pretty cheap and pretty easy. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you next.